Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my weekly predictions and analysis for crude oil and natural gas. As I said last time that it might try to consolidate. Natural gas is dropped a bit towards 48 levels and crude oil towards below 80 levels, and below 80 definitely we can expect it to enter a little bearish. We can expect it to act little bearish. Those who are new to the channel, I provide my daily and weekly analysis for major global markets and commodities, which also include gold, silver, and the markets includes US 30, US 100, Germany 40, UK 100, and Nifty Bank Nifty. So stay tuned, press the bell icon. Let's start the analysis with the natural gas first, and then it will be followed with the crude oil. If you look at the natural gas charts, it has seen a high here, trying to consolidate, seen a drop, probably it might try to look back towards 4500 to 4000 levels. I had shared in my last week's analysis also that probably we might be looking at 4500 to 4000 levels or 45 to 40 levels. So on the daily chart it appears bearish. Also we should not forget that the high for this downward trending channel is now at around 5500 levels. So till the time it is below 5500, and in fact on the daily charts if you look at 5450 or 5400 should also be a stronger resistance for any upward move, any breakout. But at the same time we must not forget 48 levels are stronger support. So now if it breaks this level at 4750, you can go short below 4750, and we can expect 4400 the next support level, and then below that 40 is the level, 4000 is the level which it might try to achieve. And on the upside, till the time it is above this level at 5300, below this level at 5300, you can remain short. So this is on the daily charts. If you look at the weekly charts, you can you can find the natural gas has clearly got its resistance intact now at 5800, and now taking a dip. Also it has got its stronger support at 4800 levels. So 4750 you can take, 4750 below 4750 you can again expect it to hit towards 4500, and then towards this zone at 4200 and 4000 levels. Somewhere here it might try to come back towards. So probably I'll be watchful of 4750. Any drop below 4750 will be a clear indication that it will uh, head back towards 4400, and 4000 levels also are quite possible. Till the time it remains above 4750, you can again expect it to head back towards 5250, which should provide a stronger resistance, and 5500 which are again strong resistance level. Any rise beyond that should take it towards 5800 and 6000 levels. On the monthly charts you can see that after this strong rise, now this is kind of pole and flag formation, and hence probably this level has become crucial for me. And you can see now any drop below 4800, or rather I will say 4700, should be a good indication that it is going to drop back towards 4000 levels. So we have seen the daily, weekly, and monthly chart. It appears that I think this level at 4748 should provide a support for it, and it might try to consolidate for the rest of the time between 4700 to 5500 or 5800 levels, and again close the month at this level. But probably it appears that I think the low should not be far away from here and for the month, and try to take or trade with caution here, because I see that the support levels coming into picture at 4400. Specifically beyond that definitely it will hit back towards 4000 levels. Also if you look at the indicators, so though nothing works, not much of effect here. But if you look at the indicators here, now the resistance it available at 5500 levels, a strong resistance coming into picture between 250 to 5500 levels, and the support coming into picture at here at around 4800 levels. So in between this zone we should be very cautious while taking a position, and any rise beyond this level at 5250 will be a good indication that it is heading back towards 5500. Take your positions accordingly. Below 4750 will be a good indication that it is heading back towards 4400, 4500 levels. Look at the DPO is in sell side. The stochastic has hit a bottom, and hence you can expect a little rise from here. That is a probability that taking a support from 4800, it might try to rise back again towards 5250 and 5500 levels and consolidate there. Now look at the MACD lines are divergent or on sell side. The RSI is comfortable here and is heading towards oversold position. Considering this, I think we might see a little consolidation here till the time it remains above 4750. You can expect it to head back towards 5000 and 50 to 50 levels. So probably it might try to consolidate between these two levels and then again drop back towards this level towards next week. Any rise past 50 to 50, 5300 very close, this should again be a still resistance. After that we'll be looking forward to 5470 levels. This should come into picture, and in fact till this level, I think most of the time I think it will try to consolidate here a bit. Now if it drops below 4750, you can expect 45.5, 4550 levels and then 4400 levels. So take a short below 4750. You can expect a profit from remaining short below 4750, and you can expect it to head back towards 4550 and 4400 levels, but keep your stop losses, as I expect that natural gas might try to consolidate this week, and hence uh, uh, I will not be expecting a sharper drop, but yes, if it drops below 4400, definitely you can expect it to hit 4200 and 4000 levels. My view is more of consolidation, and still below 4750 I will be mildly bearish. Below 4400 I'll be moderately bullish. Below 4000 I'll be strong sorry bearish. Below 4750 I'll be mildly bearish. Below 4400 I'll be moderately bullish and bearish, and below 4000 I'll be strongly bearish. So please take your positions accordingly. Now let's move towards crude oil. US crude closed the week at below 80 levels. That is an interesting observation, that this level has clearly become a resistance for US crude. And if you look at the charts here, the highs now are very much intact at this zone at around 8200, and in fact higher lows, if you look at the near term chart, you can see that lower lows and lower highs it is forming, and probably now any breakout beyond 80.5 or 8050 definitely will take it towards 8200, and from there I will be looking forward to where it goes. Might try to consolidate a little. Also if you look at the further near term, you can see that uh, in between this zone it is formed higher lows and higher highs, and hence it is very much still in the bullish or buy zone. And any drop below now 7900 and below 77 will be a good indication that it will head towards 7500 levels. So now this is just on the daily charts. Now let's look at the weekly charts. On the weekly charts you can see that it is broken this channel, achieved a double top, and now close the week, but also it is failing to go past or failing to drop below and achieve 76 or 75 levels, is a indication that oil is trying to gather its support at this level at 8000, and hence any rise beyond $80 is a good indication that it might again try to come back towards 8200 levels or 82 levels. Now look at this. So a zone at 80.5 or 8050 is appears to be a good indication for buy for 8250 levels, and any drop below this level at 7900 will be a good indication to sell it off for 75 or 75,100 and below levels also. So we have seen our levels here on the monthly charts. It is again probably trying to form a pole and flag formation, and hence might try to remain range bound. might try to remain in range, might try to consolidate here for a bit, and hence I don't see much of movement on US crude for coming days. And looking at, let's have a look at the indicators. If you look at the indicators here, you can see that it has got its resistance intact at 8200, 8100 to 8200 levels. Any rise beyond this will take it towards 8250 and 8300 levels. The highs of the channel is at around 8240 levels. The and see 78 is giving it a stronger support. So from 78 to 82 it might try to consolidate here. Look at the DPO is entering into a sell zone. The stochastic is almost trying to go into oversold position. Right now it's comfortable, and hence a drop till towards 80, 78 cannot be denied, and from there a rise cannot be denied. And MACD lines are running parallel. RSI is comfortable. Considering this, my expectation for US crude is more of consolidation from here, and we might be looking at somewhere between 7800 to 8250 levels. It might try to trade between. Now see, for the week you can take your positions at 8050. You can go long for 8170, 8220, then 8250. So you can take your positions accordingly. Beyond 8050 you can gain $2 and expect 8250, and below 7950 you can expect 7900 and then 7820. Below 7820 will be bearish, and we will be expecting it to head back towards 7650 and 7500. So please take your positions accordingly. 7800 is the level below which I will be bearish for oil, and we will be expecting 76 to 75 levels. And till the time it is above 78 we will be expecting at 8250 levels. So might try to consolidate here a bit and then drop next week. That is what my expectation for crude oil. And take your positions accordingly, friends. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Don't forget to reach out to me. You can also be part of my mentorship sessions. This is a 15-day session, 90 minutes every day, and that will definitely help you become an independent and expert trader with the help of strategies I provide. So reach out to me for any of your trading or training related queries via email or via Telegram. The links are mentioned in the description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead and trading week ahead.